Now, obviously, you guys have heard, at least from the videos, of the Delta 5. It's a $50,000 portfolio. The drawdowns are just ridiculous on these portfolios, ridiculously small, that is. 17.55% drawdown, so that's just very high level of risk containment. And as you can see, there's the drawdown measures, and of course that's the max drawdown. There's the equity curve. That's the Delta 5, $50,000 portfolio. Again, ridiculously small drawdown, 13% on our Delta 20, which is a $70,000 portfolio. And you guys can go to this page. Just go to the home page, Delta Force Portfolios. We'll actually just scroll to Delta Force Portfolios right under the Triple Threat Day Trader. So we also have the Delta DT, which is for all of you all that are just interested in holding day trade only exposure. 35% drawdown. That's of course the max, but if you look, we had this max drawdown here, but the average drawdown has been considerably less than most of the other portfolios. So if you're looking at maximums, this is obviously a bigger drawdown, but on average, as you can see, the portfolio has been pretty conservative. Now, we did introduce a smaller version of this for smaller accounts, $15,000 in equity. For the Delta DTS is all that's required, a 26% max drawdown. Looks like we had two rather impressive drawdowns there. And so that's a $15,000 account. Again, you always want to get in. Definitely, if you see a blip like this, you definitely want to be buying. We'll look up here. There's a blip. Of course, it's the same portfolio, very similar. And blip right here, boom, buy. Blip right here, boom, buy. And definitely want to highlight this a little bit later. Right, or actually, we can just go to it right now. In our Delta B, we're pulling up this portfolio. Had a lot of interest in $30,000 accounts, and so this is a $28,000 portfolio, the Delta B, and you can see it's still a very insignificant drawdown of 20% when you're talking about risk, speculative, high return, high yield, high risk futures trading. A 20% max risk is pretty impressive. So there was the 20% risk, and this is the Delta B portfolio. Looks like it's made 230% in the last year. And what I wanted to definitely point out was this blip right here, boom, this blip right here, nice and nicer. Got another blip right here, and looks like we're on our way back up. So for the Delta B, definitely anyone out there interested in a $30,000 relatively conservative portfolio by comparison to our Swinger DT, which I think finished the week up about 12% actually. Made balanced out Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday in the choppiness, and then banged out about $3,500 in gains today. So the Swinger DT finishing up nicely for the week. That's our aggressive $30,000 portfolio. This is a more conservative $30,000 portfolio, as you can see by the risk being contained to simply 1/5 of your equity. Do have a Delta Black portfolio as well. Again, we've got a nice blip here, as you can see, and a nice little blip here. This is a $84,000 portfolio, probably our $100,000 clients. But as you can see, overall in all the strategies, you definitely want to take advantage of these opportunities right here. All too often we have a lot of clients, I want to see this and this and this, and then they get in right here, and then, oh, what's going on? And then, uh-oh, they get a little disappointed. So you definitely want to take advantage of these pullbacks, as with anything. So, did also want to tell you guys, our listeners, viewers of the videos, of a special just to this video alone. If you go, a couple of specials actually, you can get any of the three, the Delta 5, Delta 20, or Delta DT. This is a $50,000 portfolio, $70,000 portfolio, and a $35,000 portfolio for just $500 a month. Now, this is obviously extraordinarily limited in time. These are introductory savings. What's more, you can also go in, got another few specials, the Delta DTS, $1,000 for 3 months. Looks like trading's getting ready to halt. And $1,500 for 3 months on the Delta B, $1,500 for 3 months on the Delta DT, $3,000 for 3 months on the Delta Black. But if you go and add to cart for any of these, you can actually just enter in the coupon code VIDEO, VIDEO. Go ahead and apply that and save an additional 15%. So that's just for you viewers out there. Hope you guys have a great weekend, and hope you definitely take advantage of these offers on these venerable portfolios.